Woo-wee! Another project I didn't think that I'd get done until later this year. This porch. My daddy built this porch a long time ago, and he never stained it or anything like that, so I'm going to give that a go right now myself and make it look a little bit better because it's old and dry. So here we go. This railing is complete crap. It's just a little 2x4 here, so we're going to take this off and get a new one for that. This thing, as you can tell, isn't exactly secure, shall we say? So we're going to give this a little drill in here and put these 5-inch decking screws in here and secure that a little bit better. Yeah, give it a good old screwing. Yeah, we're going to put one up here too, just for good measure, you know what I mean? Yeah, you can't be too safe. I mean, this railing doesn't really do much, but hey, whatever, at least it's secure. This thing was a little off in its angle, so I think I'm going to fix it. We'll find out when I put the new one back on, but I think this should help it out. Now we're going to give it a good blow job and get all the loose debris off of there and make it so that I can give it a good sanding here with the good old palm sander, hairy palm sander here. Yeah, I got my dust mask on, you know. Safety first, baby, safety first. I'm not trying to be Wheezy Jefferson when I'm 60 years old here, talking all fucking bronchial and shit. I don't even know. But we're giving this good old fucking college dropout try here. We're going to sand it up, make it all look purty again. Yeah, putting that stain on it, baby. Look at this. It's already looking nice. Damn. That's a cedar stain. I got it from homedepot.com. I forget the brand name. It was just there on the screen. I think it's like Olympia or some shit. But it works great. I'm telling you. This wood is so dry and seasoned that it is accepting the stain very well. The only problem is it takes multiple coats to make it look like anything's on there. Otherwise, it just kind of looked a little green, you know, like the pressure-treated color there. But after a while, look at this. Yeah, enough coats and enough love, and this fucker is looking great. I'm telling you, this took me a couple of days to complete. I'm not going to lie to you. This was a 2-day project. And I still have to do some things. I still have to attach that railing that I took off. I'm staining it in the barn. I figure I can get 360 degrees around it. And I still have to move those rocks down low and get up against that baseboard there to make the transition look better. But everything is looking fucking nice. I am so happy with this. Look at that. Brand new porch, baby. If they're going to appraise my house for more, I'm going to make it look like it's worth that much. Yeah, that's right.